Today we will be making Kulukki Sarbath, which is a spicy and sweet shaken lemonade recipe. This comes from the southern Indian state of Kerala, also known as God's own country, because it's super beautiful, and you'll know what I'm talking about if you've actually been there. So the reason that I'm doing this is because it's approaching summer in USA, and it's already summer in India, and this recipe will cool your body heat and is also really cold. So let's get into it. What we need for this is 1 lime or lemon, 1.5 minced chilies, or 1 depending on if you can't handle spice, about this much of chopped ginger, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, soaked sabja seeds or chia seeds. Sabja seeds are basil seeds for English people, and crushed ice. We're also going to need 2 cups of water, but I'm guessing that everybody has water. And the optionals to enhance the taste are pineapple, 1 ring cut, and 4 leaves of mint. What you first need to do is make your lemonade. And for this lemonade, you're going to need a sugar syrup. And I've put the water on the stove at medium so that I can mix my sugar and make a sugar syrup. But now I start making the lemonade. And then add your 2 cups of water. Still a little bit sour, so I'll add the water. Mix it up. And to enhance the taste, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, which just elevates it. Mix it up. And it's looking like my water on the stove is boiling, so I'm going to make the sugar syrup. Just add your sugar to the 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and mix it up until it dissolves. And instead of a sugar syrup, you can also use honey, which is healthier, but in my trials I figured out that this tastes better, but you can use honey if that's what you like too. Now mix it until the whole thing gets a sweet taste. Okay, now that I'm done with my lemonade, to your shaker, add your crushed ice. Then, with your ginger, what you want to do is get a dipstick or a crusher and crush it so that the taste gets a bit more spicy, but you don't want to crush it too much because then all the ginger's juice will come out. It's pressed lightly. I'm going to add my ginger. Then you're going to add your 1 to 1.5 minced chilies. And then your mint. And now you want to add the lemonade that we prepared. And then I'm just adding the pineapple that I've cut up into these glasses because once you've shaken it, if you add the pineapple in the shaker, it just sinks to the bottom because it's denser than water, so it's hard to get it in the first glass. Now you add a few spoons of sabja seeds or chia seeds. shake it. Hence the name, sweet and spicy shaken lemonade. Now it's ready. We can serve it. That's simple. Now I want to garnish it with the lemon because it looks good, and then drink it. There, got it. Lemon. Delicious. Like and subscribe.